Startup Week has been around for 11 years. I think my favorite thing about Austin Startup Week is the community.
I enjoy connecting with others to kind of hear what their story is and to figure out how I can kind of help connect them to somebody else so that they can get to the next step in their journey. I think in the last 3 years, the tech community in general has changed tremendously. We've added more accelerators and more incubators, and I mean, it's a happening place.
It's really a be yourself city. I think that we welcome everybody, and I think we have a really good sense of balance of work and play. We work really hard, but it's what we do outside of work that makes Austin so special and unique.
I moved to Austin this year. I actually hosted a big event for tech founders a few weeks ago, so I love being involved in the startup community. And it's my second event this week, and I've got a couple more coming up, and it's been an awesome week.
Anybody that I met from Austin was new to Austin, had moved here prior to COVID, so they were still new to Austin, and they were in the tech community. Not only are they trying to figure out how to acclimate into a new city, but how do you figure out the landscape of a tech community that's really vibrant and growing?
I encourage everyone to invest in the local ecosystem, invest in community, fund the arts. That's what makes living someplace like Austin so special.
I actually have made some great connections. I met a guy that runs a massive comedy venue, so I might actually host one of my networking events at his venue. A lot of other great connections here as well, a lot of awesome startup founders, a lot of great investors, so yeah, couldn't be happier with the event.